Hello, amazing people. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. I hope you are doing well today. In this episode, I'm super excited to share with you lovely, flawless, and super cute mini boho braids hairstyles for you, my ladies. Do well to let me know what you think about the hairstyles in the comments. I will be there to read and to reply to every of your amazing and beautiful comments. And if you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Remember also to share with others so they get to see these beautiful hairstyles as well. If you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome to Prestilex Home of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest trends in fashion styles and hairstyles. If these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy and love watching, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever there is a new upload on the channel. I want to appreciate you all for watching the video. See you all at the end of this video. welcome back. I hope you did enjoy watching the video up until this moment. Thank you so much for staying tuned. What do you think about the hairstyles? Don't forget to leave me your comments, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share with others, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more amazing styles like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.